Many people like to lead active lifestyles, and enjoy working out and other forms of exercise, such as cycling or running. In today's world, there are many technological gadgets and devices you can use to enhance your active lifestyle and get more from your workouts, like heart rate monitor chest straps. These devices wrap around the chest and track your heart rate as you exercise. They're ideal for runners, cyclists, and other athletes, as well as average people who simply want to get fit and lead a healthier lifestyle. If you're not sure which monitor to choose from in the many that are available, here are some of the best options to buy this year. Number 1. Cuspo Heart Rate Monitor. If you're looking for a heart rate monitor on a chest strap that is stylish and sophisticated, look no further than the Cuspo Heart Rate Monitor. This monitor has one of the most attractive and modern devices of any device on the market. It's sleek and sophisticated, blending well with leisure wear and fitness outfits, perfect for people who like to look their best at the gym. Cuspo HR Sensor H808S can monitor high-performance real-time heart rate data while exercise, offer professional experience for your training and fitness. This device isn't just about looks, it also functions flawlessly. It features Bluetooth and ANT+ technology for easy connections. It's also capable of accurately tracking heart rate via an advanced HR sensor. Plus, it's compatible with most third-party apps and devices, like Peloton, Strava, Wahoo, and Polar. Number 2. Power Heart Rate Monitor Strap. Some heart rate monitor chest straps can cost quite a lot of money, sometimes in excess of $100. This may not work with your budget. So, if you're looking for more of a budget-friendly choice, the Power Labs Bluetooth Heart Rate Monitor chest strap is a good option to consider. It's highly affordable but still has solid technology and offers good comfort levels, too. Built with ANT+ protocols, you can connect the Power Labs chest heart rate monitor with your favorite bike computer, fitness equipment or spin bike. Works with Garmin, Wahoo, Peloton and most leading fitness equipment. In fact, this heart rate monitor is exceptionally comfortable, with many users saying it's one of the most pleasant straps they've used. It's made of a very soft and stretchy material that can expand to suit the size of your chest and works well while moving and stretching, too. It comes with a 12-month warranty if anything goes wrong and has ANT+ connectivity to connect with other devices and apps. Number 3. Wahoo Fitness Ticker Heart Rate Monitor. Some people find that they don't like weighing chest strap heart rate monitors due to their weight and size. Well, if you're looking for a slim and lightweight monitor, the Wahoo Fitness Ticker Heart Rate Monitor is what you need. It's actually the slimmest and lightest monitor of its kind on the market right now. At 1.7 ounces, 48 grams, and 12.01 millimeters thick, the Ticker is one of the lightest and slimmest heart rate monitor and strap combinations. Thanks to its small size, this monitor is a joy to use and won't interfere with your exercise. It's also very effective at tracking data and delivering it to your connected apps and devices. It easily connects to other devices via Bluetooth or ANT+ and can track both heart rate and calories burned. Number 4. Garmin Herm Dual Heart Rate Monitor. Our top pick for this list is the Garmin Herm Dual Heart Rate Monitor. It's one of the best-rated chest strap heart monitors on the market, with countless happy users all over the world, and it excels in terms of both performance and comfort. This premium heart rate strap transmits real-time heart rate data over ANT+ connectivity and Bluetooth low-energy technology, giving you more options to train indoors, outdoors or even online. With it, you'll be able to consistently receive accurate heart rate on your Garmin device, in online training apps such as Zwift or even the compatible fitness equipment in your favorite class at the gym. This heart rate monitor has a strong battery that can last for up to 3.5 years, so it's ideal for long-term use. It easily and accurately tracks your heartbeat as you exercise, using Bluetooth technology to transmit real-time data to compatible devices or fitness apps on your phone. It's also very comfortable and won't interfere with any of your stretches or movements. Number 5. Polar Heart Rate Monitor Chest Strap. The Polar H10 Heart Rate Monitor Chest Strap is another great choice for active people, and this chest strap monitor stands out for its versatility. It's compatible with almost any sports or smartwatch device you could want to use from brands like Nike, Apple, Garmin, Polar, and Strava. It's also comfortable and secure enough to work well for rowers, cyclists, swimmers, runners, and other athletes. This strap features Bluetooth, ANT+, and 5K HZ connection technology. So it gives you a lot of different ways to connect to your favorite devices without any issues. It's also fully waterproof and has its own internal memory, So it stores data from your last training session, which is very useful for people who want to track their performance over time.